When you have a number of files or a number of sheets and you want to consolidate them, you may consider using the feature Data Consolidation. What I've got here is Excel open and no particular files. I'm going to press Control N, which gives me a new workbook. I'm then going to open 3 other files. So I'm going to go to File and Open. I'm going to choose Rotorua, hold the Control, click Taupō and click Tauranga, and open these 3 files. I'd then like to arrange the 4 files I have open on one screen. So from the View tab in the ribbon, I'm going to click the Arrange All button. I'll then click OK and it will tile all 4 files on my screen. I want to consolidate these 3 regions in this new workbook, so I'll click in the new workbook. From the ribbon, I'll choose the Data tab, and from the Data Tools group, I'll click the button Consolidate. I'd like to use the function Sum, but do acknowledge there are more functions than Sum. My first reference, I'll click in the reference box, is Tauranga B1 to C14. So with my mouse, I'm going to highlight B1 to C14 and add. That's my first reference. I'm now going to select my second reference, which is Rotorua B1 to C14, and click the Add button to add that second reference. I'm now going to add my third reference, which is Taupō B1 to C14, and click the Add button. I now have 3 references, B1 to C14, for Rotorua, Taupō and Tauranga. I'd like to use the labels in the top row, so I'll tick this option. So when the information is consolidated, it will get the labels from the top row. I'd like to use the labels from the left column, so I'll tick this option, and it will use the labels from the left column also in my consolidation. And thirdly, I'd like to tick the option Create Links to Source Data, and that is if the data in Rotorua, Tauranga or Taupō should change, this consolidated spreadsheet will automatically update. When I click the OK button, I now have a consolidated worksheet. If I double click the title, I'll maximize this window. I also have pluses in the left margin, and so I can expand any particular row. So I'll expand Egan. When I hit the plus, I can see that I have the Rotorua value, the Taupō value and the Tauranga value, and these all 3 add up to this particular value here. When I click on C2, I can see there's a formula. The formula says this is the Rotorua file, the January sheet, and the cell C2. And here's the Taupō value, and here's the Tauranga value. Consolidating information is a very quick way to consolidate worksheets or workbooks in a single view.